Hello M1, welcome back to IP Online. It is Wednesday today and we are going to study again about comparatives. I hope you've enjoyed and been watching all the videos we've put online so far. I hope you enjoy this one. Let's get started. Okay, as I said, we will continue to study comparatives, but today we will look at the sentence structure. So what order do we put the words in when we make a comparative sentence? How do we build a comparative sentence? Okay. So again, this is from your class book, Unit 5, so you can use that to help you. Okay. Now we have 6 words here and 6 blank spaces. What is the correct order? What is the first word if we want to make a sentence? Comparative sentence from these 6 words. First of all, can you see what is the comparative? In this one, it's actually 2 words. That's right, more. So it means it's a long adjective and it is dangerous. So the comparative, more dangerous. But how can we build this sentence? Which word do you think is the first word? Do you think sharks, snakes, are dangerous, more than? Which one? Let's have a look. The first word is sharks. Sharks. Now, how do I know that sharks is the first word? Why not snakes? Why sharks? Well, can you see? Capital S, big S. There it is. Means it is the first word in the sentence. Remember, sentences always start with a capital letter, big letter. So this is a big S. Okay, can you see this one? Small s. This one, big. So we know that is the first word of the sentence. So, sharks. What's next? Do you remember from class? We studied this before. Sharks are. Sharks are. Now, we have the comparative. Sharks are more dangerous than, and the last one, snakes. So this is a comparative sentence, comparing 2 things. In this sentence, 2 animals, sharks and snakes. So we know sharks is the first word because of the big capital S. Why do we know that snakes is the last one? That's right, full stop. Can you see the full stop? That means it is the last word in the sentence because we always end the sentence with a full stop. Okay, so there we have it. Sharks are more dangerous than snakes. That is our first sentence. Next one. What do you think is the first word? Have a little look. I'll give you some time to think. Look at the words, read the words. Okay. Can you see the big letter, capital letter? It is, of course, the first word. This is actually 2 words. The first box, a chimpanzee. A chimpanzee. Okay. And the second word. Last sentence it was are. There we had sharks, snakes. This time, a chimpanzee. That means 1. So the word is. A chimpanzee is. Now the comparative. More. Again, this is a long adjective, so we have more intelligent than. And the last one, because of the full stop, again, only 1, a lion. A chimpanzee is more intelligent than a lion. Well done if you got that correct. Next one. Again, have a look at the words, read them, see if you can find the capital letter, the full stop. comparative, verb to be. Okay. So what is the first word? It is, of course, birds. We have a big B there. Birds. This one S, more than one. Birds. So are. Birds are. Comparative. Now, noisy ends with Y. So we take away the Y, add I, ER. Noisier than fish. Fish with a full stop. So the last word. What about this one? A rabbit, a cat, than, gentler, is. What do you think? Which is the first box? It is, of course, a rabbit with a big A. A rabbit. A rabbit. So a means only one. A rabbit. That means is. A rabbit is. Now, which is the comparative? Of course, gentler. ER. A rabbit is gentler than. And the last one, full stop. A cat. A rabbit is gentler than a cat. Okay, now what about this one? What do you think? Which word has big letter, capital letter? Which box? It is a rhino. Again, one rhino. So which one's next? Is. Now, which is the comparative? Comparative is bigger. Two more. Which one is next? We know this one is the last one because of the full stop. So bigger than a tiger. A rhino is bigger than a tiger. Okay, so there we had some examples of how to build a comparative sentence, the correct structure. Now, as normal, we'll have a quiz. You need your pen and your notebook. Pause the video if you need time to get them. And we'll have some questions for you to answer. So open your notebook, write the title and the date. Title, Comparatives, Sentence Structure, and the date is Wednesday, the 13th of January, 2021. When you finish that, question 1. Now in this orange box, the instructions, unjumble the words to make a comparative sentence. You need to write the full sentence in your notebook. So number 1, these are the words. So when you've unjumbled them, use these words to write a sentence in your notebook. Okay? Remember, look out for the capital letter, the full stop, which is the comparative. Okay? If you need time to write, you can pause the video. Number 2, same again. Unjumble the words and write a sentence in your notebook. Number 3. Number 4. And number 5. Okay. Well done for completing the quiz. Don't forget, you can go back to the questions if you need more time. You can pause the video. Make sure when you finish, you have 5 unjumbled sentences in your notebook. Okay, keep your answers safe. We'll check them when you come back to school. Thank you again for watching. Keep watching every video every day. Don't forget, check on the Facebook, on the YouTube and Line to check for the new video every morning. Okay, I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you. Goodbye.